Hey everybody, it is Coach Jared Snyder and it is Friday. We had a busy day yesterday. I was out in a car all yesterday long. I vlogged about it. If you haven't checked the video out, it's the video I did yesterday. The boys' day out, a family vlog is the name of it. Check it out. We had a fun time, but I didn't get a workout in, man. I was so tired by the time I got home, but I had also a bad day yesterday because, I didn't plan for, being out, which I knew I was going to be out for a long time. And we just stopped for fast food. And you know how it is, it's a journey. So basically, when you feed your body crap, you feel like crap. So I'm getting the crappy hangover today of eating junk. So first thing in the morning, what I'm doing is I'm making sure that I'm making better choices. I am pushing the water like crazy right now to flush my system out and to basically just get my body back functioning how it is and making better choices. That is one thing with health and fitness. It is a journey, not it is a journey. You're going to have hiccups or whatever. You're going to want to go out and get that nice, fat, juicy burger or whatever that looks good, sounds good, whatever, and free fries with that Coke or soda or whatever it is, and you're gonna make that choice, and you're gonna feel bad about it later. But anyways, it's what you do afterwards that really makes or break who you are, or makes or breaks your health and fitness. You gotta, after eating that, you can't just keep on eating like that. You gotta get back to it. You got to detox. You got to push that water. I always like pushing water, lots and lots and lots and lots of water. So that is what I'm doing right now. If you are new to my channel or just watching this for the first time, hello. And I just want to ask you to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification so you don't miss out on any of these videos. I am a health and fitness at home vlogger, basically I vlog a little bit, tell you about my journey. I'm a coach. I leave links for you guys if you guys want to work with me. If you think that, hey, Coach Jared's kind of cool, let's work with them. Basically you can do that too, because I have links in all the comments. Also, I don't know if anybody knows this, but I do this all the time, and you can check all my videos. If you go to my comments, I will pin a question at the top of my comments for anybody to answer, just to get some engagement on my videos. You can look through them, and if you want to answer them at any time, I would, just questions I'd like to know about you, or, how's your day going? Did you get your workout in today, or whatnot? I have them in all my videos. So if you get a second, go check them out and answer them. Let me know how you are doing. I'm here to support you guys and help you on your journeys and show you issues that I have, maybe that you have too, and that you can overcome them, but anyways, today we got max hammer strength, hammer buildup, and 15-minute leg hammer. So we'll see what we can get done. I'm going to push myself this morning. I need to sweat like crazy, and I need to just get all this icky stuff out of my body. But anyways, I am going to put the phone down, and we are going to get started, okay? Take care. God bless. Love you guys.